Imagine owning your own AI image platform, just like Midjourney or Canva AI, but without writing a single line of code. No developers, no monthly tool stack, and no technical headache. In this video, I'll show you a powerful AI platform that lets beginners and creators launch their own branded AI graphics SaaS business in minutes. I'll break down how it works, what you can do with it, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. So make sure you watch till the end. If you're new on this channel, we talk about tools, strategies, and honest reviews that help you make money online using digital products and AI. Now let's get straight into it. This platform is called AI Graphics App Builder. In simple words, it's a white label AI software that allows you to create and sell your own AI image and graphics tools under your own brand name. That means your logo, your domain, your pricing, and your customers. You are not promoting someone else's tool. You are owning the platform. Inside this system, you get access to 75 Joule AI-powered tools. These include AI image generation, background removal, image upscaling, avatar creation, face editing, object removal, and many more features that businesses and creators use every single day. And the best part, everything is already built for you. There is no coding, no API setup, no tech configuration. You simply log in, customize your branding, set your pricing plans, and start selling. That's it. Now let's talk about who this is actually for. This is perfect for freelancers who want to sell image services, agency owners who want to add AI tools for their clients, YouTubers and content creators who need thumbnails and graphics, and even complete beginners who want a recurring income business. If people need images, you have something to sell them. Here's where the opportunity really comes in. The AI graphics market is exploding. Businesses want faster content. Creators want cheaper tools. And most people don't want to learn complicated software. This platform solves that problem by offering everything in one place. Let me walk you through what you get inside. You have a dashboard where you control everything. You can manage users, track payments, create subscription plans, and monitor usage. Your customers log in, generate images, edit graphics, and download results all under your brand name. They never know this platform wasn't custom built by you. Now let's talk money. There are multiple ways you can monetize this. You can charge monthly subscriptions. You can offer yearly plans. You can sell one-time access. You can even upsell premium features or agency packages. Many people price this anywhere between 2,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees depending on the market. Just a few customers can already cover your investment. So is this worth it? If you want a low-entry AI business, if you want recurring income potential, and if you don't want technical stress, then yes, this is a solid option to consider. If you want to check it out, I've added the link in the description below. Go through it, explore the features, and decide if it fits your goals. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews like this, and I'll see you in the next one.